No good. 2 points yan para dito 5. Villarama. Caesar, pass to Simtoko. Simtoko, nagmamadali. Easy 2 points for Simtoko. Still by Caesar. Division. Out of bounds. Basket Bros. Ball. De La Cruz. Pass to Villarama. Pass to Chua. Jai Chua. Pass to Jumbo. JL Miniups ball. Foul on Maki Suto. De La Cruz. No good. Villarama. Villarama. Pass to Andre Mendoza. Pass to De La Cruz. No good. Nakuha ni De La Cruz. 2 points para kay Andre De La Cruz. Sunto. Sunto. Still by Villarama. Villarama. Pass to easy 2 points. By Natividad. Sunto. Dribbling the ball. Sunto. Hinaras dito. At may tinawag na jump ball. JL Miniups ball. 17 to shoot. Out of bounds.
Oh, 14 seconds on the shot clock.
14 to shoot. Out of bounds. Basket Bros ball. Sadro. Natividad. Pass to Villarama. Villarama. Binabantayan ni Sunto. Pass to Sadro. At na-steal ni. Nakuha ulit ni foul. Foul on number 13. Caesar Division. No good. Nakuha ni Villarama. No good again. Nakuha ni Sunto. At may foul. Foul on Sandro Natividad. Sunto. Inbound the ball pass to Division. Pass to MJ Ramos. MJ Ramos. Nagmamadali. No good. Jai Tua. Nice steal ni Division. No good. Out of bounds. Remaining time 3 minutes and 34 seconds for our first quarter. Sandro. Pass to Jai Chua. Jai Chua. Derecho. Pass to Jai Chua. No good. Jai Chua again. Pass to Garcia. No good. Division. Hinaharas ng dalawa. Division. May tinawag na traveling violation. Timeout. JL Mini.
Jesus.
14 seconds on the shot clock. Jai Chua. 2 points for Jai Chua. Division. Hinaharas ng dalawa. Pass to Matt Maranon. No good. Foul. Foul. Foul on Matt Maranon. Two points for Andre Sunto. Garcia. 2 points for Garcia. Off the glass. Two points for Hunter Sintoko. Division. Mamadali. At may foul na tinawag dito ang ating referee. Foul again on Matt Maranon. Traveling violation. Jai Chua. Nagbababa ng bola. Jai Chua. Pass to Kyler D. Sandro. No good. Nakuha ni. Jump ball. Foul. Foul on Aliana Nabaserano. Foul. Foul on number 22, Maki Sunto. Penalty. First row for Villarama. First row basket for Villarama. No good. Nakuha ni Kyler D. No good. Nakuha ni Division. Foul on number 11, Kyler D. Penalty. First row for Division. No good. Second row for Division. No good again. Nakuha ni Alfred Garcia. Binabantayan ni CJ Montede Ramos. Pass to Villarama. Pass to Kyler D. No good. Out of bounds. JL Mini-Hoops ball. Suto nagmamadali. Binabantayan ni Villarama. Naagaw ni Matt Maranon. Matt Maranon nagmamadali. Matt Maranon. Still by MJ Ramos. Nakuha ni Maranon. That is the end of our first quarter. Official score 15-6 in favor of JL Mini. Back to the ball game. Second quarter na po tayo. Division. Pass to. Na-steal ni Villarama. Villarama. Nagmamadali. Foul on number 30. Division. 2 free throws for Villarama. Two free throws for Villarama. First throw, basket. Second throw for Villarama. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to Ram Villarama. Ram Villarama. Fake pass to Kyler D. Traveling violation. Monte de Ramos. Pass to Mendoza. May tinawag na traveling violation. De La Cruz. Pass to Ram Villarama. Binababa bola. Ram Villarama. Pass to De La Cruz. Sumagasa. 2 points by Matt De La Cruz. MJ Ramos. Foul on number 6, De La Cruz. Monte de Ramos inbounding the ball. Monte de Ramos. Pass to Mendoza. Pass to 2 2.4 Pakin. Ram. Pass to Maranon. May tinawag na foul. Foul on number
Team number 0, the team of the years. City 0,
foul on
Rivers.
Aaron Mendoza. Basket. First throw for Maranon. Second throw. Basket again.
These are the result of the group for CJ Ocellanes.
Balik na naman si Acer Division para sa atin. Foul. Foul on MJ Ramos. Free throws. Second throw po, Aiden Law. No good. Rebound by jump ball. Ball possession for basketball bro. De La Cruz inbounding the ball. De La Cruz. Pass to Ram Villarama. Ram Villarama. Pull up. No good. Nakuha ni Jareno. Hareno. May tinawag na. Gumball. Ball possession for JLP. Mendoza inbounding the ball. Mendoza pass to Division. Binabantayan ni Ram Villarama. Balik kay Mendoza ang bola. Nakuha ni Ram Villarama. Jump ball. Ball possession for Basket Bros basketball. Ram Villarama. Ram Villarama. Pass to Kian Arsenas. May foul. Foul for Mendoza. Two free throws for Kian Arsenas. First throw. No good. Second throw for Kian Arsena. Basket. Mendoza. Mendoza, binababa ang bola, Mendoza. Binabantayan ni Ram Villarama. Tatlo ang bumabantay. Pass to Division. Pass to MJ Ramos. Pull-ups, no good. Nakuha ni De La Cruz. Pass to Ram Villarama. Nagmamadali. Ram Villarama, binabantayan ni Division. Pass to Derek Chua, pass to Aiden Law. No good. At may foul. Foul on number 23, MJ Ramos. Shooting 2 free throws for Aiden Law. First throw for Aiden Law. No good. Second throw. Second throw for Aiden Law. Hindi, okay lang. Foul. Or number 12, Aiden Law. Monte de Ramos. Inbounding the ball. Pass to Division. Pass to Jackson. No good. Nakuha ni Division. Tumira sablay at nakuha ni Nabasero. Pass to Nabasero. At may foul. For Ram Villarama. Monte de Ramos. Pass to Jareno. Nakuha ni. No good. Monte de Ramos. Pass to Division. Naagaw ni. At may foul. Foul on number 1, Monte de Ramos. Shot. 4. Guy Wang. Propose Guy Wang. No good. Second throw. Basket na yan para dito kay Sky Wang. Division, nagmamadali. Division. Tumira. 2 points yan para kay Division. Hunter Sinto, pass to Sky Wang, no good. Nakuha ni Division. At may foul. Pushing foul for Sadro Natividad. Division. Hinaras na 3. Division, nagmamadali. Division. Pass to Monte de Ramos at nasundot ni Natividad. Nagmamadali. No good. Natividad again, bump. 3
One
seconds
receive.
violation. Ang tinawag dito ng ating referee. Ano bounce? Basket cross ball. Remaining time 1 minute and 56 seconds.
Guadalupe
14 to shoot. Sandro, pass to. No good. Nakuha ni Division. Division, nagmamadali. Division, pass to Monte de Ramos. Monte de Ramos. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Monte de Ramos. Pass to Ken Johnson. No good. Nakuha ni Division. Division. At may foul. Foul on number 19, Sandro Natividad.
Substitution.
Penalty.
Substitution.
2 free throws for Division.
Sergio CJ Considerados.
First throw for Division. No good. Ang unang tira ni Division. Second throw. No good. Free throw violation. Jai Chua. Binababa ang bola. Jai Chua. Nagmamadali. Jai Chua. Pass to Sandro. Pull up. No good. Nakuha ni Suto. Easy 2 points for Caesar Division. Jai Chua. Jai Chua nagmamadali. Jai Chua. Dire-diretso. Tumira. 2 points yan para kay Jai Chua. Suto pass to Division. Division. Binababa ang bola. Division. Easy 2 points for Jai Chua. Suto. Inbound the ball. Pass to Division. Division. Dire-diretso. Pull up. No good. Nakuha ni Sandro. Sandro. Pass to Simtoko. Dire-diretso. No good. Nakuha ni Sandro again. Basket count yan. For Sandro Natividad. This is the end of second quarter. Official score 30-12 in favor of Basket Bros Basketball. start of our third quarter. Mendoza. Pass to Monte de Ramos, steal by Sandro. Line violation. Basket Bros ball. Garcia. Pass to Sandro. Pull up three. No good. Nakuha ni Jai Chua. Jai Chua. Dire-diretso. Block. De La Cruz. No good. Nakuha ni Sunto. Sunto. Nagmamadali. Sunto. Sunto. Dire-diretso. No good. Traveling violation for Derek Chua. Basket Bros ball. De La Cruz. Pass to Jai Chua. Jai Chua. Jai Chua. Pass to Garcia. Pass to De La Cruz. Pull up. No good. Out of bounds. Mendoza. Mendoza, pull up, no good. Nakuha ulit ni Mendoza. Two points for Monte de Ramos. Sandro. Naagaw ni Mendoza. 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 Division. Foul on. Number 6, De La Cruz. Timeout for Basket Bros basketball. Shooting 2 free throws for Rock Chavez. First row for Rock Chavez. No good. Second row for Rock Chavez. Basket. De La Cruz. Pass to Jai Chua. Jai Chua. Hinaras. Jai Chua po. 2. Jai Chua. Naghanap ng mapapasahan. Pass to Garcia. Pass to De La Cruz. Easy 2 points for De La Cruz. Division. Nagmamadali. Division. Out of bounds. Basket Bros ball. De La Cruz. Inbounding the ball. Pass to Jai Chua. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Jai Chua. Pass to De La Cruz. Out of bounds. JL Mini Hoops ball. Official score 32-15 in favor of JL Mini Hoops. Mendoza. Mendoza. Binabatayan ni Jai Chua. At may traveling na tinawag ang ating referee. De La Cruz inbounding the ball. Jai Chua. Jai Chua setting the play. Pass to Alfred Garcia. Tumira no good. Nakakuha ni Sunto. Sunto. Nagbababa ng bola. Pass to Mendoza. May tinawag na traveling violation. De La Cruz pass to Jai Chua. Jai Chua. Nagbababa ng bola. At nakagaw ni Monte de Ramos. Pass to Mendoza. Tumira. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Mendoza. Mendoza. 10 to shoot. Mendoza. No good. Nakuha ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Pass to Sandro. Sandro nagmamadali. Nakuha ni Mendoza. Mendoza. At may foul. Foul on. Foul on number 6. De La Cruz. That is fourth personal foul for De La Cruz. Official score 32-15 in favor of Sunto. Pass to Division. Bitawan ng bola. Out of bounds. Ram Villarama. At may foul. Foul on Glenn Hareno. Traveling violation for Sky Wang. JL Minutes ball. Ramos inbound the ball. Ramos. Pass to Division at naagawan ni Ram Villarama. Dire-diretso. No good. Two points for Hunter Sintoko. Division. Nakuha ni Hunter Sintoko. At may tinawag na jump ball. Basketball. Maranon. Inbounding the ball. Maranon. 14 to shoot. Ram Villarama setting the play. 2-point shot para kay Hunter Sintoko. Sunto. Pass to Division. Pass to Sunto. Sunto, binabatayan na 3. At naagaw ni Maranon. Nakakuha ulit ni Division. Toko. Pass to Black. At may foul. Foul on number 1, Matt Maranon.
Free ground number 2. It's a bit
Hunter Sintoko. Dribbling the ball. Dire-diretso. Pass to Kyle. Out of bounds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Ram to Miran. No good. At nakuha ni Hunter Sintoko. Pass to Ram Villarama. No good. At nakuha ni Division. Division. Hinarap sa tatlo. Pass to Monte de Ramos. 8 seconds violation. $14 to shoot. Remaining time, 29 seconds. Hunter Sintoko. Pass to Kyler D. At may tinawag na traveling violation. Remaining time, 21 seconds for our third quarter. Nabasero. At may tinawag na jump ball. Remaining time, 11.5 seconds. Division. Pass to Nabasero. 2 points for Nabasero. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our third quarter. Visual score 36-17 in favor of JL Minihawk. Basket Bros Basketball. Brother. This is the fourth and last final quarter. Jai Chua setting the play. Pass to Jai Chua. Naagaw ni Division. Mendoza. Inaras ni Jai Chua at naagaw ni Jai Chua. Jai Chua nagmamadali. Sebastian Garcia. Sebastian. At may foul. Foul on number 12, Aiden Law. 16 to shoot. Division pull up, no good. Garcia. At naagaw ni Garcia again. Pass to Mendoza. Dire-diretso. At may tinawag na traveling violation. Jai Chua. Hinaras ni Mendoza. Jai Chua. Dire-diretso. Jai Chua. Naagaw ni Sunto. Sunto. Dire-diretso. Sunto. No good. Foul on number 22. Sunto. Third person. Kian Arcenas. Out of bounds. Same ball. Juan Villarama. Inbounding the ball. Juan Villarama. Pass to Arcenas. Kaso tumama sa out of bound. JL Mini Hoops ball. Official score 36-17 in favor of Basket Bros basketball. Monte de Ramos pass to Division. Gandang pasa noon para kay Mendoza. 2 points yan para kay Division. Jai Chua. Pass to Arsena. Naagaw ni Garcia. 2 points yan para kay Sunto. Jai Chua. Jai Chua nagmamadali. Dire-diretso. Naagaw ni Garcia. Garcia. Pass to Sunto. Sunto. Dire-diretso. No good. Nakuha ni Kian Arcenas. Arcenas nagmamadali. No good. Nakuha ni Garcia. Garcia. At may tinawag na traveling violation. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 55 seconds para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Sandro inbound the ball. Pass to Ram Villarama. Pass to Sandro. Pass to Maranon. Tumira at may foul. Foul on number 13. Caesar Division. 2 shots for Matt Maranon. No good. Second throw for Matt Maranon. Matt Maranon. No good again. At nakuha ni Garcia. Pass to Sunto kaso malakas. Out of bounds. Basket Bros ball. JL Mini Hoops ball. Sunto inbound the ball. Pass to Division. Pass to Garcia. Pass to Sunto. Tumira. No good. Nakuha ni Garcia. At may foul. No good ang unang tira ni Sebastian Garcia. Second throw for Sebastian Garcia. Free throw violation. Sandro pass to Ram Villarama. Ram Villarama. Pass to Sandro sa ilalim. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Sandro. Nakuha ni Garcia. Garcia. Pass to Sunto. At may foul. Foul on Rain Wang. 2 free throws for Maki Sunto. Official score 36-21 in favor of basketball. First throw for Maki Sunto. No good. Second throw for Maki Sunto. Basket. Sandro pass to Ram Villarama. At may foul. Foul on number 22, Maki Sunto. That is fourth personal foul. Ram Villarama. At may traveling violation na tinawag ang ating referee. Garcia. Inbounding the ball. Pass to Division. At nagaw ni Ram Villarama. Nagmamadali. Ram Villarama. No good. Nakuha ni jump ball. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 9 seconds para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Garcia inbounding the ball. 14 to shoot. Garcia pass to Division. Nakuha ni Ram Villarama. Dire-diretso. No good. Nakuha ni Garcia. Garcia. Pass to Monte de Ramos. Nakagaw ni De La Cruz. Pass to Hunter Simtoco. De La Cruz. Bump. No. Nakuha ni Garcia. Dire-diretso. Garcia. At may foul. Foul on Hunter Simtoco. $18 seconds on the shot clock. Hareno. Pass to Mendoza. Nakuha ni Garcia rebound. Basket count. May kasama pang foul. Bonus shot for Garcia. Follow shot for Garcia. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Garcia. Foul. Foul on number 16. Sky De La Cruz on number 6. No good. Second throw for Garcia. Basket. De La Cruz. Pass to Hunter Simtoco. Two minutes. Para sa ating fourth quarter. Mendoza. Binababa ang bola. Mendoza hinaharas. Pass to Simtoco. Nakuha ni Garcia. At nagaw ni Monte de Ramos. Monte de Ramos, dire-diretso. No good. Nakuha ni Garcia. At may foul. Foul on number 16, Sky Wang. Penalty. Remaining time, 1 minute and 31 seconds for our fourth quarter. No good. Ang unang buslo ni number 11, Garcia. Second throw for Garcia. No good again. Nakuha ni Sandro. Pass to Hunter Simtoco. No good. Jump ball. Timeout for JL Mini Hoops. Remaining time for our fourth quarter, 1 minute and 16 seconds. Official score, 36-25 in favor of Basket Bros basketball. Back to the ball game. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Hunter Simtoco. Naagawan ni Garcia. Garcia. Dire-diretso. No good. Nakuha ni Sandro Natividad. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz nagmamadali. At may foul. Foul on. Foul on Sebastian Garcia. Two shots for De La Cruz. First throw for De La Cruz. Basket. Second shot. Basket again. Remaining time, 1 minute exactly para sa ating fourth quarter. Garcia. Pass to Loki Paras. Naagaw ni Sandro Natividad. Natividad. Pass to Hunter Simtoco. Pass to Ram Villarama. No good. Nakuha ni Sandro Natividad. No good again. Sa kanya ulit ang rebound. Sandro. Pass to Jai Chua. 2 points yan para kay Jai Chua. Remaining time 25 seconds. Garcia. Garcia. Naagaw ni De La Cruz. Pass to Jai Chua. No good. Out of bounds. Remaining time 15 seconds. 15.8 seconds para sa ating fourth quarter. De La Cruz inbound the ball. Pass to Hunter Simtoco. Pass to Sandro Natividad. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And that is the end of our ball game.